This is the Close and Destroy utility tutorial for the sound effects. The sound effects are located on the Lookups tab. There will be two sound effects sections, one for the vehicles and one for the infantry. The results are listed in the left-hand column. The file location is listed under the file location column. This can be gathered by coming to your wherever your file is located, looking at the properties, highlighting the location, Control C for copy. For missed shots, place it there. Where is it? Paste. Come up here, type in the title with the wave extension. Missed tank shot. Missed tank shot. There may be another way of doing that, but this is where you will update all of the different files. And because this was on a different computer, paste these here, and then we can just go through in here and rename them appropriately. This will show how much time between the initial shot sound, and the results. If you do change the file that you're using to replicate the tank shooting, it may be longer or shorter, in which case you'll want to update the lag time as well, so that it has a fire shot, pause, and then the results.